Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep XJ fuel pump, easy method. Start by working safely and organized. Disconnect the battery, depressurize the fuel rail, and collect all tools on a clean tray. Use proper jack stands and gloves, and label any electrical connectors. Keep rags handy for spills and a fire extinguisher nearby. I'll guide you step by step through removal, inspection, and installation so you can finish confidently with a tested, leak-free system. Begin by safely supporting the tank with a jack and removing strap bolts while an assistant steadies it. Carefully unplug the wiring harness and use the proper tool to release the fuel line quick connects without tearing seals. Slowly lower the tank enough to access the pump module, watching for fuel sloshes and catches. If the sender lifts with the pump, handle it gently and set parts on a clean workbench for disassembly and inspection. With the tank lowered, remove the pump module retaining ring and lift out the assembly gently. Replace the fuel pump, filter sock, and O-ring, ensuring the float moves freely and the electrical contacts are clean. Reseat the module, lock the ring in place, and raise the tank back into position while aligning straps. Reconnect fuel lines and wiring, reattach straps, and tighten hardware. Prime the system and check for leaks before cranking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.